everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be trying to explain how you can actually install the LED notification light in the Realme X7 Pro device. So this is a Realme X7 smartphone, friends, and in the Realme X7 Pro, we don't have any kind of LED notification light on the top of the phone. So you need to install the special APK files and application from the Play Store to get this kind of unique LED notification access. So right now I'm charging the device, and whenever the phone is charging, I did set as LED notification light to be on green color. As soon as the battery gets filled to the 100%, it will then turn into the blue color. And if I disconnect the charger right now, when the battery is in low power mode, it will display in the red color, as you can see, friends. So these are the different advantages of using this kind of LED notification light application in the Realme X7 Pro device. So right now, let me try to quickly show you the about phone, so you know exactly I'm using the LED notification light on the Realme X7 Pro device only. As you can see, friends, this is a Realme X7 Pro Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. So this is quite a disadvantage in most of the Realme phones, that they don't include the LED notification light in their devices. That's a quite disappointment, friends, and few of the users they don't use, but I am that kind of person who likes to have the LED notification light on the top of this device. But don't worry, there are special application designed for this kind of use cases, and in this video I'll be trying to explain one of the application which quite useful and which does its purpose as well. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and also join in my Telegram group to get the APKs. And even I did upload more than 160 videos on the Realme X7 Pro, so make sure to check those videos in case if you're planning to buy this phone. So let's get started, friends. The application name which is called the LED blinker. So let me try to show you that application. So this is a LED blinker notification pro. So this is an app which I'll be using in this video for the demonstration purpose. So let me try to quickly open the app. As soon as you open the app, these are the few default settings which will be already there. So if you want to add, you can definitely click this add app and you can add the different categories. So right now I did select the battery charging to the green color, and battery charging complete to yellow color, and battery status low to the red, missed calls and text messages and the YouTube. Even you can add the WhatsApp to green and Facebook to blue, something like that. As a unique LED notification light you can add in this way. So if you click the add app, you do have this kind of four sections here. So first is that add the install applications.
Thank you for
so
watching
all the
this
applications
video,
from your
friends, and see you in the next
smartphones
video.
you can
Until then,
directly
stay tuned.
select those.
Bye.
And particularly, for example, WhatsApp. So let me try to quickly select the WhatsApp application. So here is a WhatsApp, and as soon as I select the WhatsApp, you just need to click on this icon to select the color. So right now the WhatsApp is selected to the green color. So same way you can select the Facebook and other applications. So next is that manage notification with a specific content. So you will be getting the text as well. So whenever you receive the notification, you'll get the notification light on the top, and bottom the text will be displayed. So in case if you want that to do, so there's even that option as well, friends. That's another good thing. And one more important thing, even if you use this LED notification light in your smartphone, so this won't drain that much of the battery. The reason is because the Realme X7 Pro has got the AMOLED panels, and the AMOLED panels are really good at using the always on displays and LED notification light applications. So you don't need to worry about the battery life which is causing because of this application. So it doesn't cause any much battery life. I think only 2% will drain per hour. So that's a very normal battery drain situation for a smartphone. So a third is that choosing the color for a contact. Even you can add the color for the particular contact as well. So as you can see, this will enable the each contact as a color. So let me try to click again. So if you select this option for every contact, whenever they call, you will get the notification as a missed call in their particular color. So even that is possible with this kind of application. So as I said, there is so much deep into this application, friends, which I may not be covering in this one particular video, but definitely you can give it a try in your smartphone. And in case if you don't have this LED notification light in your device, so make sure to download and try this particular application, so which will be really useful. And next is a standard applications. So these are the few standards applications which come with the phone. So even you can enable for this kind of categories as well: Bluetooth, calendar reminder, email, Facebook, location, phone signal, and phone signal lost, Wi-Fi signal and the Wi-Fi signal lost. So these are the few settings where you can even add for the standard apps. So let's go to the more into the settings as well. So once you go to the settings, you do get a different kind of option. So we do care only about the top four. So first is the general settings. So just for turning on and on or on and off, that's a common. And next is the screen LED. So there's different options which are available here. Even you can position the particular LED notification light. If you don't want to be in the center, if you want to be the left side corner, even you can do that as well by using these features to move here and there. As you can see, you can move here and there, and you can select the particular notification to be exactly where position you want. Even the bottom, middle, or anywhere doesn't matter. So it's up to you to decide, friends. And even the blink rate as well. So mostly I'll try to use this slow option to blink the LED notification light, not in the faster manner. Even you can do that. Even you can increase and decrease the size of this LED notification light. If you don't want big and if you don't want small, you can make it even smaller. As you can see, so small notification light, so which is kind of really useful in case if you want to have this kind of tiny notification light effect in your smartphone. So next is that showing the additional display information. Even if you want, you can show even the time and the date and battery level as well. So let me try to quickly show you, friends, what's happening right now. So as you can see, it will in the bottom, it will display the time, notification light, and everything in the bottom, as you can see here clearly. So this is how it will display, friends, in the bottom of the phone. So here time, date, and battery percentage. So this is a way how you can use, and even you can increase and decrease the brightness of the LED notification light in case if you want to. So this is a quick review on this LED notification light blinker, how to use in the Realme X7 Pro. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly for this kind of unique topics. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.